Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for west central Maricopa County and south central Arizona. This includes Buckeye until 10:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:47 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected very heavy rainfall from a strong thunderstorm over Buckeye that will cause flash flooding. Surface gauges in the area have already reported over 3/10 of an inch in just 10 minutes from the storm. Radar estimates up to half an inch of rainfall has also fallen across near and over the Interstate 10 and State Route 85 interchange. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of normally dry washes in creeks, streets, and underpasses, and detention basins affecting some community parks. Unbridged crossings will be especially dangerous. Turn around, don't drown. Travel cautiously as nightfall will make detecting water covering the roadway extremely difficult.